a ladder.
Why?
Because we gotta come up the airplane for a mile away.
You're gonna get in the airplane?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
We gotta come on the airplane and go to Uncle Danny's house.
You're gonna go to Uncle Danny's house. Who are you gonna see?
I don't see it.
Huh? Uncle Danny and who else?
I don't know.
Aunt Danielle?
Yeah.
And who else? Who's that baby?
Yeah.
What's the baby's name?
Named Rollabelle.
Rosabelle.
And their kitty.
And their kitty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we need an airplane.
Yeah.
And a ladder.
And a ladder?
Yeah.
Why?
Because we gotta hop on the airplane.
You're gonna hop on an airplane?
Yeah. You gotta hop on the airplane?
Do your planes at home. Let's go home.
Her at our home. But we need to on the airplane. But it's the airplane. We have an airplane.
We have an airplane at our house, so let's go home.
Yeah, we'll go home and get an airplane and not ladder and climb up and jump on the airplane and then the airplane go down.
Yeah, we got.
And where's it gonna go?
We what?
Where's your airplane gonna go?
Airplane will be lost.
And where's it gonna take you to?
We need a horsey. Is he gonna get us when the airplane fly away? Oh no! What are we gonna do now? We need a horsey.
We can get a horsey then, because where are you gonna go?
We have a horsey at our house, so let's go home.
We go home and get a horsey and build a horsey. Yep. And catch the airplane.
And catch the airplane.
Yeah, and then we gotta fly up and hold on to the rope.
And then you're gonna go to California?
Yeah. I can't. And Roosevelt.
You're gonna go see Roosevelt
Yeah.
and her kitty.
Yeah.
Cool.
Are you gonna see Uncle Daddy?
Yeah, and I'm gonna see
Aunt Danielle?
yeah, actually, yeah, you're right.
And who else?
We got my no.
Oh, okay.
What we gonna see now?
We
Huh?
gotta go to California.
Uncle Danny's in California and we're in Pennsylvania.
That's fine.
We on
That's a few
track.
states away.
We go to San Diego and we on track. What you do now? I got sisters and left us out. Where?
Okay, we have scissors at home. Let's go home.
I get a razor to catch the airplane.
Okay, let's go. We have all that stuff at home. Put your coat on. So we can go home and get the airplane.
And a ladder and a ladder and a road and shut and a airplane and Mommy would drive down to California.
Yeah, we're gonna have like 100
Get on
It's gonna be like,
a grab the airplane, parachute in, turn it on and yip off the airplane. And we the first
peekaboo.
catch the airplane and the ladder.
You need the horsey to get the ladder.